Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best DeWalt electric pole saw is probably one of the most versatile and efficient tools for tackling tree trimming and pruning tasks. Whether you're a homeowner maintaining your landscape or a professional arborist handling larger projects, this powerful yet lightweight saw offers excellent reach and maneuverability, making light work of high branches and hard-to-reach spots. And its electric motor ensures a quieter and cleaner operation compared to gas-powered alternatives, reducing noise, pollution and eliminating the need for messy fuel. Number 5. DeWalt DCPS620B Pole Saw. Introducing the DeWalt 20V Max XR brushless cordless pole saw. Its extendable pole lets you reach up to 15 feet, making those high branches easily accessible. This pole saw features a durable cutting grip with a metal bucking strip and tree hook for comfortable and efficient pruning. It's designed to make the job easier. With its brushless motor, it delivers impressive power. You can expect up to 96 cuts per charge on a 4x4 pressure-treated pine board when used with a DCB204 battery. The 8-inch low kickback bar and chain prioritize your safety while ensuring smooth cuts. It's designed for both safety and efficiency. It features automatic oiling, minimizing maintenance and maximizing your time spent working. Just focus on the job at hand. The comfort grip handle ensures fatigue-free operation, even during extended use. You'll appreciate the ergonomic design. What we like. It boasts an impressive 15-foot reach, perfect for those hard-to-reach branches. The durable grip and brushless motor ensure smooth, efficient cutting. If you need to tackle high branches safely and effectively, this is the tool for you. What people say. It is simple to assemble and operate, and with the center pole attachment has good reach. It has also had surprisingly good power and cutting ability. The batteries last surprisingly long, and if you have the chain spinning before contacting the wood to be cut, it never bogs down or stalls. I've cut with it a couple of days as I ride fields and/or driveway doing other tasks, and the battery has made it through each day. It's not lightweight, but it's a lot lighter than the gas-powered one I had been using. Number 4. DeWalt DCCS620B Chainsaw. This is the DeWalt DCCS620B 20V Max Compact Cordless Chainsaw. It's designed for construction and outdoor cutting applications. It boasts a compact, lightweight design, weighing only 9 pounds with a battery, ensuring maximum user control and maneuverability. The high-efficiency brushless motor maximizes runtime and motor life, so you can get the job done efficiently. With it, you can make up to 90 cuts per charge on 4x4 pressure-treated wood when using a 20V Max *5Ah battery. It features tool-free chain tensioning and bar tightening, making adjustments quick and easy. It's part of the DeWalt 20V Max * system, offering compatibility with other tools in the system. The low kickback 12-inch bar and chain enhance safety during operation. Please note that this is a bare tool, battery and charger are sold separately. What we like. Its compact and lightweight design makes it incredibly easy to handle. The high-efficiency motor provides extended runtime. If you value maneuverability and long-lasting power in a smaller package, this is your best bet. What people say. It took her 3 hours, plus or minus a few minutes, and the tree was in a pile, in small pieces. Small branches, okay, medium branches, okay, but then the trunk, which was thicker than 12 inches, remained in her way. I found that in small pieces as well. Angle cut, then the remainder got a straight cut. And we have a stack of big logs. She was using the 5Ah battery and ran out of juice at the 2 hours and 40-minute mark. The disassembly, cleaning, lubing, and reassembly part got to my workbench. I found it easy to do the necessary usage maintenance to get it ready for her next attach on something too big for a 12 chainsaw. I checked the chain tension to see if it had loosened during use, but it was right where it should be. It is easy. This thing punches WAAY above its weight class. Made quick work of the 2 to 6 branches, even up high at arm's length on a ladder. Never felt unsafe at all. The bottom 10 feet or so was 16 or better diameter, so I had to swing around the other side to complete the cut, but this little saw never once bogged down. It bound up a few times and I had to stop and pull it out a little, but it never once got hot or lost power at all. Number 3. DeWalt DCCS620P1 Chainsaw Kit. This cordless chainsaw is designed for power and control, making it perfect for various cutting tasks. Its lightweight and compact design ensures easy handling and maneuverability. Weighing in at just 9 pounds with the battery, it provides maximum user control. You'll appreciate the balance and ease of use, even during extended periods of operation. It features a low kickback 12-inch bar and chain, ideal for construction and outdoor cutting applications. This ensures smooth cuts and enhanced safety. The high-efficiency brushless motor maximizes both runtime and motor life. It delivers consistent power and performance, cut after cut. Get up to 90 cuts per charge on 4x4 pressure-treated wood when using a 20V Max 5A battery. That's efficiency you can rely on. It offers tool-free chain tensioning and bar tightening. This makes maintenance quick and easy, saving you valuable time and effort. What we like. This model is compact and lightweight for easy handling, and the high-efficiency motor maximizes runtime. It's ideal for those who prioritize ease of use and longer operation without frequent battery changes. If you want a powerful yet portable chainsaw, this is a great choice. What people say. It is easy to carry and has cut everything I want to cut, up to about 7 to 8 diameter. The battery worked well, cut about 4 of the 6 to 8 trees into firewood and many more branches and small trees. Still had battery power when done. Powerful enough to cut through trees bigger than 12. The battery life. I haven't been more impressed with a battery-powered anything in my life. These batteries power this saw for a long time and I've only needed to change the battery once during the day while cutting up multiple trees. Number 2. DeWalt DCPS 620M1 Pole Saw. Introducing the DeWalt 20V Max XR Pole Saw. Its 15-foot reach lets you tackle those hard-to-reach branches with ease and safety. It features a metal bucking strip and tree hook. These additions provide a durable grip and make removing branches a breeze. This pole saw boasts a brushless motor, delivering up to 96 cuts per charge on 4x4 pressure-treated pine. That's serious power for your trimming needs. The 8-inch low kickback bar and chain ensure safe and efficient cutting. You'll get the job done quickly and confidently. It features an automatic oiling system for low maintenance and a comfort grip handle for reduced user fatigue. Spend less time on maintenance and more time on the job. Get the job done right with the DeWalt 20V Max XR Pole Saw. Experience the difference of a powerful, yet easy-to-use tool. What we like. This pole saw provides a 15-foot reach for those hard-to-reach branches. The durable grip and brushless motor ensure smooth, efficient cutting. If you need to tackle high branches safely and effectively, this is the tool for you. What people say. I just used it for the first time yesterday. Just like DeWalt small 20-volt chainsaw, you will need bar and chain oil for the chain to be lubricated while cutting, so make sure you add that to your list. I wound up trimming approximately 35-40 trees around 10 to 12 foot up and did so within about 45 minutes, and I did not use the third extension pole. Easy to assemble. I already had chain oil from my other gas-powered chainsaw, so filled oil chamber and installed battery after overnight charging. Worked great and battery lasted approximate 1 to 112 hours of use. I still had power in the battery when finished. Used it to trim and cut branches off my large oak tree. This thing is so much easier to lift and hold out away from your body. I cut a bunch of limbs off a tree yesterday and could have kept going. It takes the same battery packs that the other DeWalt tools do, and that's a fantastic decision they made. I have about 10 different DeWalt battery-powered tools and they're all quality tools. Number 1. DeWalt Pole Saw Attachment, DWAS6PS. This innovative attachment transforms your DeWalt string trimmer into a powerful pole saw, extending your reach and making trimming easier than ever before. It features an auto-oiling 8-inch bar and chain, ensuring smooth, continuous cutting. You'll get consistent performance without the hassle of manual lubrication. The included extension pole significantly increases your cutting range. Now you can tackle those hard-to-reach branches with ease and safety. A built-in branch hook makes removing cut branches quick and simple. It helps you pull down branches safely and efficiently. It's designed to work seamlessly with the DeWalt DCST972 string trimmer. Make sure to check compatibility before purchasing. See how effortlessly it extends your reach and tackles tough branches. It's the perfect addition for any homeowner or professional. What we like. This attachment offers ease of use with its auto-oiling system and increased cut range thanks to the extension pole. The built-in hook makes branch removal a breeze. If you're looking to extend the capabilities of your string trimmer for easy pruning, this is a must-have. What people say. The DeWalt Pole Saw attachment has been a fantastic addition to my tool collection. Its performance has been impressive, even allowing me to chop down small trees with ease. The saw's design ensures that it delivers powerful and precise cuts, making it a versatile tool for various tasks. Attach this to its appropriate battery power supply and this thing worked amazingly. It also came with an extra pole extension, which was a great surprise as I hadn't noticed this when purchasing. Went with this attachment for my DeWalt power head and wasn't disappointed with its use thus far. Did a lot of trimming this past weekend and it went through branches, small trees, shrubs with minimal issues. Largest diameter I cut was a 3-foot pine, no issues. I cut some smaller oak and maple saplings and had no issues. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.